Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about the arithmetic and the comparison operator. And in the previous video I have given you a brief introduction what is operator, basically how it is used and what are the types of it. So total 7 types of operator are there. Out of 7 today we are going to cover 2 of them. So without wasting your time, let's move on and let's start discussing them. So here I have opened my VS Code Studio, so I'm just creating a new file with operators.py name. .py stands for Python. Now I'll save it on the desktop. Okay, so now let me first explain you that how basically all these operator works. This is going to be very simple, guys. Just stay with me on this. Okay, so obviously I spoke to you in the previous video that there are 7 type of operators. So today I spoke to you about arithmetic and the comparison operator. So let's talk about the arithmetic one first. So in arithmetic I have done what? I have done 2 assignment, like a equal to 10, b equal to 3. Okay, just remember we have 2 objects now. Now in arithmetic operator, how many type of arithmetic operator we have? That is a question which comes up. Okay, so there are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, then exponential, then floor division. So you can count it. Okay, there are 7 types of it. So arithmetic operator are of 7 type, and each one of them have their own mathematical formula basically to perform a certain type of operation. Okay, what is the addition? So we all are aware, like addition is nothing. This is the plus symbol. This is your plus or additional symbolization in mathematics, that is known as your additional operator. Then you have subtraction, okay, a minus b. Then you have multiplication, a multiplied by b. Then you have division. So if division you see, okay, there is a difference between division and floor division. The division is basically giving you the exact output whatever comes up. What does that mean? So let's say if you are dividing 2 by 3, which you can, so if you give point and then you increase the 0, so you divide 20 by 3, so 3 6 are 18, then again 2 reminder, so it will be keep on going like this. But here in floor division, how this works, basically if you divide, let's say let's take this example only. Okay, so we are dividing 10 by 3. So if we divide normally in mathematics, this will come 3.3. that I have mentioned here also. But when we talk about floor division, so this keyword floor talks about this value which is coming before the decimal point value. So the floor division will give you the output as 3, and the normal division will give you the output 3.333. So that is the difference between division and floor division. That's why the division is denoted by this single slash and floor division is denoted by double slash. So I hope this is clear to you. Now let's talk about the modulus. Okay, so modulus is represented with percentage sign. What is modulus? Like the remainder value. Okay, so let's say you divide 10 by 3, so the remainder is 1, that is coming as a modulus value. Then we have the exponential value. So for exponential, the value is, let's say a have 10 value and we say 10 to power 3. So what is 10 to power 3? 10 to power 3 is 1000. That is the output mentioned here also. Don't worry guys, we will discuss each one of them. I'll run it, basically that's what I meant. Now let's move on to the comparison operator. As the name indicate, what is comparison? Comparison, we need 2 value in comparison. So you have a value and then b value. So in this case we have x and y. Any 2 comparison, that can be comparison between anything, right? How this basically works, so we have equal to, that is the number 1. Equal to, if you see, is denoted by double equal to. In Python you need to use double equal to. This denotes the equal to symbolization. Then not equal to is denoted by exclamation and equal to, which is present here. And the output is, if the value is true, so it will give you the output as true. If the value is false, it will give you the value as false. Okay, so here x equal to y, so 5 equal to 8. This is a false condition. This is not a true condition. That's why output is coming as false. Now 5 not equal to 8, that is true. In the second condition, 5 is not equal to 8, so this is a true condition. Now 5 is greater than y, no, it's a false condition. 5 is less than 8, obviously that is a true condition. So as of now 4 operator we have covered. Now greater than and equal to, that is again false. 5 is not greater than either equal to 8, and less than equal to, so obviously less than condition satisfy, equal to does not. So 5 is less than 8. So that's how this is coming as true. Okay. So on that note, let me run this code and show you the output. So if you just want to run the arithmetic operator, select this line and you guys can download this whole code from the GitHub repository, which I mentioned in the description box. The first link in the description box is the GitHub repository for this particular code. So you will be able to execute on your system. Now I just selected because I just want to execute the arithmetical part of this. Now shift and enter I'll press. So you can see addition is 13, subtraction, multiplication, division. Majorly just focus on this division and floor division. Sometimes this is an interview question. What is the difference between both of them? Now, modulus is giving the remainder. Exponential is giving the power actually. 10 to power 3 is 1000. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now, let's select all the comparison operator and let me run them. Now, you can see 5 is equal to 8. This is false. 5 is less than, 5 is not equal to, 5 is not less than 8. That is true. Then 5 is greater than 8. Again false. 5 is less than 8. It's true. And similarly, if you see 5 is greater than equal to, neither greater than nor equal to. So that's why false. And in this less than or equal to, 5 is less than 8 obviously. So condition is true. Okay. So I hope this video helped you to understand these two type of major operators which you have been using constantly. In next video, I'll come up with the second, like other two type of operators with you guys with some practical example like this, and all the codes are there on the GitHub repository. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and your colleagues. And if you're on my channel for the very first time, I would really request you to please subscribe to my channel. I keep on posting such amazing content for you guys, and you can do the comment by if you want to share any feedback. I am always open to address any feedback and if you have any question. So on that note, I'll take leave from you. I'll meet you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video.